y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, how y'all doing? It's your girl Tiana. I can only be me, and I'm coming at you with a braid pattern that you can use for thin and soft hair for crochet. Now, I feel like this is going to be a good braid pattern because it gives more coverage. It's smaller and more neater, and it's and also, if you concerned about braiding a person hair all the way down to the bottom, you ain't got to worry about braiding it all the way down to the bottom, because and so their hair won't be slipping out at the bottom, if you know that that's what's gonna happen. If once you do that foundation braid that goes around the bottom edge of it, around the perimeter, like, if that person hair is soft or they rough on hair, that bottom braid will slip loose. Or if the hair is just too short, it slip loose. So to prevent that, I don't go all the way down to the bottom. And you're going to see exactly how it is that I'm going to braid this pattern step by step, and what I do in the end to tuck my braid, because I do not sew the tail end of the braid down. I just tuck it in. So y'all, let's get to this video. And I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all my old subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button to the right, and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified each and every time that I upload a video. Okay, so let's get to it, y'all. Have a good day. Okay, y'all, I'm doing grandma hands some crochet. Hold your head back, grandma. Hold your head up. I know it's dark because I ain't got my light, but I just wanted to come and show y'all the best braiding pattern for thin hair. So what I did was I made a part right here where the side of her braid is going to be on, and I brought it down this way, and then I'm bringing it on around. I will show y'all so you can see what I got another section going, so that's why you can't see the back. But I brought it on around. When I get this braid finished, I'm gonna show. Got y'all some light now. So anyway, so the braid pattern that I'm doing is I'm doing a full head beehive. So like I was saying, I start the braid here, and what I do is I make a part right here, how far back I want her part to go, but or what side that you want to put the part on. So I want it more over to the side of her, almost like in the middle of her eyebrow coming back. That's the side that she gonna wear her part on for this crochet hairstyle. And so what I did was, once I made that part, I just made a line going straight down to the back, that way I can keep in line with my part. So once I got started, I made me a little section here, and I started braiding, coming along this way all the way around the back. I went ahead and parted it off first, and then right down here in the bottom, I try not to catch none of this up, because for one, I already know it's gonna slip. My grandma hair is like really soft, so I know it's gonna slip out, and plus she's gonna dig out from scratching. So this is gonna be okay without having this part done, because her hair is so thin and it's soft, and it's gonna be full enough anyway. So once, like I said, I go around along the edges all the way around the back. Then I'm gonna come on around this way so y'all can see. Then once I get around that way, I just come along the side, bring it up the front. Okay, so now I'm on this other side. So now I take this section and I run it around, bring it around the loop, just like so. Continue on along the back. Okay, then once we get back over here from the back, you bring it right back up the side. And I'm going to continue this rotation. Continue this rotation all the way, just like so, until I get the whole head did. And when I finish, I'll be back, okay? Okay, y'all, so I braid with the weave, right? But I'm going to show you, I braided with the weave so that it can hold down better. So when I stop, I just plait it down a little bit to keep it from unraveling, and then I just continue on. So I'm going to show you what I do when I get the running out of hair. So I make sure I braid hers small, and make sure you closely stitch it to give it a tighter and neater braid. So when I run out of hair, I'm gonna show you what I do. So I have hair ready for that purpose, and so as I go around and my hair starts running out, turn your head. My hair starts running out. You see it done got short. So now I just take me another piece. I know you may not be able to see what I'm doing, but what I do is I just lift this finger up and put it in between there to hold it down. Then I just take it and I wrap it around and go down to the bottom in between my thumb and my pointer finger. And then I take this piece and I wrap it. Now this piece here is gonna come up under here, and I'm connecting it. I know y'all ain't gonna be able to see it, but you know, I just wanted to show you what I do to add on to it. Now one of the legs, it don't have as much hair, so I grab a little bit from there and I just keep going. Oh, hold on. I just keep going, and that's how you add in your hair as you braid, so that you can keep your flow going. Just make sure, you know, you have your hair ready so that it can be a smooth transition. And I'm just going around. Braiding it on around. And now just coming on around the back. And I'm just gonna finish this up, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like when I'm finished. But this braid pattern is perfect for someone with really thin hair, really thin and soft hair. And the reason why I say soft hair is because I don't braid the bottom portion, because it's just gonna slip out. So really thin and soft hair, and that's all I do, just like this. Make sure you braid it tight, but don't braid it too tight, you know, where you got this scalp where it's all jacked up and stuff. Come on, you might gotta move your finger. Is your finger in the way? Yeah. So yeah, just like that. Just braid on around, and then when I get over here on this side, I'm gonna stop. Give me another piece, so that when I get ready to part this, I ain't got to do nothing but keep going. So wrap that down up under there. Take this little piece that's on top, bring it down, bring this that was in between my fingers around, and keep going. Just like that. Hopefully y'all was able to get that, but I did it the best I could. So now I'm finna get ready to stop so I can part some more. So I just take it and I just plait it down a little bit like this to keep it from unraveling, and I'm part it and finish it. Okay y'all, so this is what the braid pattern look like after it's all done. You gonna say hey, Grandma?
Hey there. How y'all doing?
The YouTube family.
You gave me some long hair.
Ain't gonna tell her nothing. Okay, so now I'm gonna show y'all what I do with this long piece that is left. So the long piece that's left, what I do is I take it and I crochet it throughout the braid. Now, the reason why I like to leave it long like this is because it gives me more hair to work with. That way it's not so short and it just come right loose. you know, slip through and be sticking out, you know, through the crochet. So I just take it and I just go through just like this, tucking it in. Just like so. So I hope you guys learned some. I hope y'all like this video. Until next time, this is your girl Tiana, are gonna be me. Peace and blessings to each and every one of y'all. So yeah, this is what I do. Just weave it through. Just like so. Until I get it tucked all the way in. Then that way it won't be so easy to just slip out. If you had just a little short piece, it'd be easier to slip out from here. But you see it on travel all through, and it's more hair. You got to worry about it slipping right out, you know, and be sticking out through your hair. So y'all got that. Now this is what it looks like, all tucked in. Okay, so thank y'all, and until next time, peace, love, and many blessings.
That's fine.
Alright, y'all, I'm just coming to show you what it looks like after finishing it up and how full it get after doing it. But, yep. I'm just showing y'all the fullness. Yeah, I see that it is full all the way around. Alright, so that's it.